All right, guys, a quick look at this standard chart so that you see what is playing out on GBPUSD currently on M5. So you see, look at this break of structure, and then and price goes up, makes an impulsive move to that upside, and it's coming down. And as it's coming down, this point becomes it finds rest at this point where structure was broken initially, and this is actually the making of M pattern or double top, if you choose to call it so. And see price descended up to this low point, okay, and here serves as the neckline, and then price will certainly push down to X. And let's see what is playing out on GBP USD. That's exactly what is playing out as you can see. Let me quickly tell you, this is the point where structure was broken. Break of structure, price went up and then made a new high, coming back to retest this place where the structure was broken initially. So it found rest here and is pushing up now. That's why I took this buy trade, and then I'm going to exit here where it's going to form a kind of double top before price will before we'll be looking at price maybe pushing down, okay, to this point now. So it's possible price will come to that point. Remember, here is not, if price gets to that point, then this point will be broken because this is the valid low that we have here according to this particular standard analysis that was done on this particular pair gold, right? So this X may likely be taken out and price will head down to this valid low. So that's exactly what we're seeing here. So our valid low is going to be somewhere here. Our valid low will be here. This is our valid low, right? So if price eventually gets to this point, if price from this point gets to this point and break this neckline, it's definitely going to take out this low. So this low becomes invalid because it's not going to be that strong to hold it. Definitely price will push down to this valid low. This is our valid low right here. Forex is not that easy. It depends on how you have invested your time to learn how price behaves on the trading chart. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, turn your notification so that whenever we upload new video you get notified, and give this video a thumbs up. Also take a screenshot of this particular standard, of course, mapping, and then always look out for such opportunities. Look at where my stop loss is. My stop loss is just below this low, okay, so we are taking advantage to this point, and then let's see how it plays out.
A few moments later.
So eventually our TP was hit at last, and you see how it played out, guys. Please don't forget to take a screenshot of that particular setup and the mapping because it's standard. And do not also forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications so that whenever I upload a new video you are going to get notified, and give this video a thumbs up. So here is a continuation of that video, and we are taking a sell trade this time, okay? As soon as our buy trade TP was hit and price got to that level, got to this level, we decided to go hard on the trade, right? And we're looking out for price moving down to this valid low, right? Because if it's descending, this place is going to be a kind of neckline, because already what we're looking at here is something that looks like a double top, right? Though price might still come up a bit to get to this level, and it may try to take out this high, right? So if our stop loss is here, remember this is where my stop loss is, just directly above this double top right now. So if my stop loss is activated, I'll just take the loss like that. But if not, I'm looking at price descending if everything is correct. So let's see how it plays out as well. Please stay tuned and let's take a little break. So right now you can see the trade has started descending and going in our way, and the least we can go is to this neckline. The least we can go is to this neckline. But remember, our long-term target is here, right? There's something I want to point out, okay? Why we encourage that you understand top-down analysis, you do your top-down analysis very well, okay, so that you know the bias of the market, you know the overall movement of the market. Then you should also trade each signal according to the time frame that is giving you, that you are picking the signal from. So most of these time frame, most of these patterns, most of these approaches, they are time frame specific. You need to understand what is going on in the higher time frame, but at the same time trade according to the time frame that is giving you the signal. You can see that I'm getting this signal from M5, okay, and then that's why I will trade it as if I'm scalping. I'm not going to stay that long in the market. That will also determine when I'm going to exit each trade I'm executing. So you should take note of that as well. Understand your top-down analysis, do your top-down analysis, have a bigger picture of the market. But then if there is need for you to scalp and you are receiving signal from a lower time frame and the confirmation is on lower time frame, you trade it as if you are scalping. Do not sleep in the market forever. Don't build house there, okay? There are some trades I just execute and within a short time you go out of the market. That's how it is. So I'm going to still pause and then wait for a while. I'm not going to record to the end, okay? And let's see how it still plays out. All right, guys, so we see that after a while it didn't even take time and price pushed down up to that very close to the neckline, okay, of the double top, as you can see, right? You remember we took the buy trade from here to this point, and then we say we're going to look for a sell opportunity, and that's what we're looking at here now. We are taking it already and it's pushing down, okay? Now if you look very well, there are several candlestick patterns that signal that there's going to be a kind of potential price reversal from that point, pushing down, okay? We can see I can see doji, I can see engulfing, I can see pin bar, I can see candlestick that signals that reverse, okay? So price will still push down and break that neckline, okay? Let's see how it goes, right? But then this video is getting long already and we may not record till the very end, right?
A few moments later.
All right, guys, so this is how far we can go with this video, and you can see price still continue to push down according to analysis and according to the trade. So remember everything I've said about this video, about this approach, and then stick to them, right? And learn from these techniques. Look out for this kind of opportunity and trade this way, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.